Hello everybody, it's Mr. Doge here, and don't even ask me where I got that name from, but today I have a Airsoft sniper. We're gonna be shooting at some stuff, and I haven't set up stuff yet, but I guess I'll just mount up on this thing here. Oops. So yeah, here's the Airsoft sniper once again. Airsoft with GoPro. I will also be uploading later with my GoPro camera. Ooh. These are ugly shoes. There we go. I don't have much shots, but let's see what I can make out of these shots here. Okay, that little white dot in the distance is my target. Once again, here it is. RCA red dot. Let's get some firing going. Oh, and bipod attachment. So it looks pretty cool. Okay, that was just a little part of it. I don't think I hit a target that time. I hit it once, I think. Maybe once or twice. Maybe you could see what I'm seeing here. What I'm looking through. There's my red dot. You're looking through the scope right now. Fire. Here we go, you're right at the bipod of the sniper. Hit it. It's one hit. It's two. You probably can't hear the clanging of it, but I can. It's three. Three in a row. Yeah, there's the target. Let's get a different angle.